Hello friends, so if you have been watching my videos for some times now, I'm pretty sure that you heard about this story about me having this small business, but it was very successful business. I was having more than 400 chickens, so I was selling eggs to different big shops in my country, and the business was success. I was having a lot of money at the time. I was getting at least $100 every single day, just me selling eggs here and there. But everything changed in October last year, and my business died last year. So everything changed, and it was really hard for me to start again because all of my chickens died, and I didn't have anywhere else to get money to ask for financial help to start again. All this money that I was saving, I decided to for chicken treatment and all that, and I came to find out that all the money were gone and I didn't have an amount in my pocket. So anyone who needs to start a business right now but don't have amount to start a business, but don't have a capital to start a business, I think today I am coming up with these platforms that are really going to help you as well to get the money that you need for you to start a small business or any project that you want to finish this year. So the only thing that I want you to do right now, you need to listen to this video to the end, because all these platforms are very trusted platforms and they're really going to help you if you really want to start business this year and you want to change your life in one way or another. So let's now dive in and see all these platforms that are really going to help you. Alright, so our very first website that is very trusted, this platform is going to help you no matter what you're going through right now. This platform is called International Finance Corporation. This website is based to eliminate poverty in too many countries. So if you're an entrepreneur or if you want to start a business, you want to go to this website, which is very trusted, and you have to fill out all this information which are necessary. As you can see here, you have to come to this website and you need to click this press which is called apply for financing. After clicking this press, you're going to need to provide all this necessary information. The reason that you need to start a business, you need to come up with strong reason, but also you need to write your email so that they have to contact you anytime that they approve you. It's very important for you to fill out all this necessary information like your email, your name, your current location, so that it will be so easy for this website to reach out to you if you're approved. So the good thing about this website is that this website is going to fund different entrepreneurs in developing countries. So if you're coming from these developing countries, I think this website is just for you and it's going to help you to fund your business, and I am pretty sure that you're going to have successful business. So this next website is very interesting. This website is called Action.org, and the very good thing about this website is that it's more based in helping these people who need to start their business for the first time. So let's say that you've been applying for loan at your local bank, but you have been rejected for too many times. Do not worry, because this website is here to help a person like you who has been rejected by local banks. But this website is going to give you loan, and not just loan. This website is going to help you to guide you through your business. This is very interesting, guys. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Action.org, and you have to scroll down here. Then you need to click this place which is written as loan in US. Then you need to apply for loan, and the good thing about this website, you can get up to $2,000. So I think if you are really in need of financial help and you really want to change your life, you really have to go to this website. It's very trusted, and you just have to explain the strong reason that you need to start your business so that you can be approved in very easy way and very fast way. You just have to come up with this strong reason for you to start your business. Why do you really need to start your business? After coming up with this strong reason, I think this website is gonna think about you and you're gonna get approved in very short time. So this website is available worldwide and you have to try right now. So let's move to the next one. I know a lot of people, they really don't know about this. There are these programs that are operated by World Bank, and we call World Bank programs. These programs, they aiming at helping these youth and young people who they need to start a business, but they really don't know anything about business. So they're not just gonna give you money, they're not just gonna give you capital to start your business, but also they're gonna mentor you to make sure that your business is going to be successful. So you just have to go to this website of World Bank, but also you need to see if your country participates into these programs. If you can see your country in these programs, you may want to go ahead and start applying to different programs. And if you are accepted, these programs are going to fund you and they're going to give you money to start your business in a very, very easy way. So I think this one is mostly based into developing countries, African countries. This one is just for you, and you may want to go ahead and start, participating into these programs for youth entrepreneurship, and you can get money from these programs. So right now, let's go to the other website. All right, so this next website is very interesting. Let's say that you need to start a business, but for now you don't have a capital, or maybe you having this business but it's not going very well, so you need money to buy groceries, to buy different things to add up on your business. So what you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called Kiva, because Kiva is a website for all these entrepreneurs, all these people who are doing business but they are lacking in money. So all they do is that they go to this website explaining what they need, and good people and kind people, they're going to support them, and at the end of the time you will have to pay them back. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called kiva.org, and you can ask for any amount that you want. And I've seen a lot of people, they're asking at least for $500 up to $1,000. But just remember that you are going to receive money and you will have to pay this money back. I encourage you to go ahead and ask for money on this platform and see how much you're going to get. You just have to come up with this good story that everyone is going to read and really feel the need to help you. So right now, let's go to the next website. All right, so this next website is called Itara. Let's say that you are going to borrow this time $50 on this application. So if you're going to repay on time on this platform is going to add you more money to borrow on the platform, so that the more you keep repaying, the more money you're going to be able to buy on the platform. So this platform is very, very trusted platform, and is most based in Africa. So if you're from Africa, I think this website can be for you. So this is it for today. I really hope that you're gonna try this out and see how much you're really gonna make and how much you're really gonna get as a small entrepreneur. Alright, so all these websites that I've mentioned, all these programs that I've mentioned in this video, they're very trusted, and you just have to follow step by step on each website that you're going to apply right now. It can be a loan, it can be to participate into any program, but you just have to make sure that you really have to be careful with these scams, because there are a lot of scams websites out there. You just have to make sure that the website that you have seen in this video are the website that you are going to try. Do not try any other website, because there are a lot of websites out there which are not trusted, and they're just going to waste your time, and also they're going to take your money. So be careful. Do not pay for anything. All these websites are just for free. They are free websites. The application is free. You don't have to pay for anything. Be very careful with all these scams and spams. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I really hope that you're gonna try all these websites that I've mentioned in this video, and they're really gonna help you in one way or another. Thanks so much. My name is Hans David, and I really hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.